Hello friends, welcome to VK lectures. In this lecture, four equal point charges are kept fixed at four vertices of a square. How many neutral points where the electric field vanishes will be formed inside the square? So, four charges are kept at the four vertices of the square, and we know that this is the point of which is neutral, which means that if we keep a point charge here, it will be experiencing a force in all the four directions, and the net force will be equal to 0. That means there is no electric field. If the force is 0, the electric field is 0. Either the charge is 0 or electric field is 0. Here there is charge q kept, but even then there is no electric force, which means electric field is 0 and it vanishes. Now let's find if there is any more points where there is no electric field. Now we already know that this is a point where the electric field is 0. Now let us analyze few more points. One is at this point, another is here, another is one over here, and one here. Now let's take the case of this particular point. Let's call this point A and this be A here. Now here we have charge Q and Q here, and due to this first Q, this is 1 2 3 and 4, there is a force along this direction. Due to 4, there is a force along this direction, and the resultant force will be along this direction. Now due to Q3, there is a force along this direction, and due to Q2, there is a force along this direction, and the net force will be along this direction, the resultant one. So if you call this as F1, the force due to F14, and you call this F23, the force due to 2 and 3, along this line there will be a point such that F23 equal to F14. So this point will be along this direction as well as this direction as well as this direction and from this direction. That means along this if this is called center, P Q R S. So along OS, OP, OQ and OR, there is a point such that the F23 will be equal to F14. So on each side or each segment you will get another 4 more points, which makes total of 5 points. And thus the total number of neutral points in a square will be 5.